Thank you for watching. This is the Screen Cast O Matic quick tutorial on how to get set up to get going on a video to record yourself. This is a good tool to use for capturing the screen or using your webcam to capture both your screen and your webcam of your face or just your face. So this helps with presentations. This could be a good workaround. This isn't the only tool out there. However, it's one that works well on our school computers and doesn't require us to have an administrative person sign in to override a download. So this is a good one. And I know I sound like a Google Chrome salesman, but again, in Google Chrome, this seems to work fairly well and we don't get too many hiccups. So I'm going to try and semi-open up another one. But this is the website, just screencastomatic.com/screen recorder, and then you're going to click on this orange button here. So I already did it in that window. I'm going to do it in this one. So when you click here, it'll say recorder launched. And then what usually happens, which it's not happening because I am running one, is up here is where my dialog box comes for open recorder. And that's just the Google window that opens. And then once you press open recorder, then you go ahead and you'll get a black screen down here, which is all your settings. And so that black screen looks like this right here. And so this will open up in the lower portion of your box. And just like this window is showing you, you can crop the screen to only take part of your window screen, or you can do the whole screen. This is a free version, so you can't do everything like captions and things. I think you can capture computer audio, or that might actually be on the paid version too. But really, you're just going to be using this red record button, sound, microphones, and then also right here, once you're done shooting the video, it'll have a trash can or a done. And then that's how you go to the next portion, which is the save portion. So again, good tool to use. Just want to introduce this to you as you're going to use it for your assignment for your introduction assignment. But by all means, if this one doesn't work for you and you have a different system, just go ahead and use that one. You always just want to think about how is my audience or how is my teacher going to open the file. So you need to make sure the file is friendly to most users based on the computer tech that we have available to us. And or just be on your email to be prepared to have a workaround solved for if we have any tech issues. You never get docked points for that. So Screencast O Matic is what I use. Sometimes it leaves a watermark, but this is your little interface, black interface icon that should show up once you successfully launch it. Please email me if you have any questions or concerns.